Jadu.
Turn on recording option.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Shall we start again?
Yes, so why not? Why not? Definitely we will start again. Yes.
Just wait.
Yes.
Yes. Good morning, Jadu.
Yes, yes. Good morning. Good morning. So tell me, how are you? After a long time, I'm meeting you.
Yes, I'm doing excellent. Thank you so much for asking. What about you?
Yes, I'm also doing great like you as you are doing. I'm also doing the same like you. You can consider. Today I'm very happy that I could connect with you. I wanted to connect with you, I think, yesterday. So that time, I had no any time. I was busy to do something work in the market. That's why I couldn't talk to you yesterday. But I decided yesterday that I will talk to her tomorrow. So today I try to send you message and you saw my message. That's why I'm happy that you could see my message and replied me on time. And suddenly you accepted that I am, it is my pleasure that I want to talk. Yes. So
You know,
really I'm happy. Yes.
equally happy. Yeah, I also equally happy for you, and it's my pleasure to also talk with you. Thank you for messaging me. So today is your holiday?
Yes, yes. It is holiday for me. I think you know very well. Yes. Due to which reason? Do you know about today's holiday?
Yes, yes. I would like to say Happy Mahashivratri. Do you
Yes,
celebrate
yes.
Mahashivratri?
Yes, yes. Yes, celebrate you can consider. And I will go to one place is called Siv Gadi, you can consider. I think from my place where I live, from here around can be in distance of 32 kilometers from my home. So that is called Siv Gadi, you can consider. Siv Gadi. So there
Yes,
lots of people from my village are about to go. So they booked what? Bus and a vehicle you can consider. Those who don't have bike, so they will go by others vehicle you can consider, but I have my own vehicle, so I can go easily. During evening time I will go, not at this time, because 32 kilometers is not so far you can consider, so easily I can go on time, right?
right, right. And I would like to say my all audience and all my viewers, Happy Mahashivratri. uh,
Happy, yes.
mm.
So
Okay,
how will you say, how did you think to celebrate that, with whom, or you will celebrate, what's your way to celebrate that? Tell me.
okay. How am I celebrate like Mahashivratri, right?
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
yes, I wake up around 4:30, and first of all I greet the God, and after that I clean my house, then I took bath, and then I prepare all whatever I want to take in the temple, as like prasad, doodh, dahi, and bead, and
Yes,
the
yes.
flower garland, everything I decorate one thali, and I went temple.
Oh, it
And
means first you
came
think to
back.
celebrate, for celebrating that, like you will, make ready everything, right? So suppose can be like house, you will decorate the house and you will, like you have, I think, worship plate. So
Yes.
you will decorate that also, which is plate, with flowers, that all, and you will celebrate and you will worship. I think it is good that in this way if we will celebrate, then the God what will say, Bhagwan you can consider. See you, you will get happy.
Right,
Yes, yes,
right. And when
yes,
I came back from temple, then I again worship at my home. Yeah, I celebrate like that.
yes, 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 yes. And
Hmm.
your spoken English, how
Do
is
you?
going on nowadays? You can consider. How is going on your spoken English nowadays? How are you improving? Because after a long time
Yes,
we are connecting. We are connecting. That's why I don't know how you are a little bit nowadays. You speak better. So tell me, how are you improving nowadays? That you can speak better than
yes,
before also.
definitely, definitely I reply you. But first of all, I would like to know about your side. How did you celebrate your Mahashivratri, you? Because I eager to know about. I think every state has a different I can say style, or different culture to celebrate everything. So I eager to know about from your side.
Yes, yes, definitely I will tell because now lots of people can be in the in India you can consider and they have their own way to celebrate that, right? So I think some people can have different way to celebrate that. So I have also different way to celebrate you can consider. So as you told, I will also celebrate by plate you can consider. So first of all, I will take first of all house also I will decorate. I will decorate the house and which is plate I will take their sip gadi I told you, right? So there I will go, and there already I think from my house something I will not take like can be fruit you can consider. I think fruit is necessary. Can be apple you
Yeah,
can consider and banana, right? Banana,
I
that all I
forgot
have to buy,
to mention.
right? Yes, yes.
I forgot to mention. I also purchase fruits as well.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
sorry. Yes.
Yes, banana, as I told you, like I will buy banana also, and grapes, that all. And in which areas, if Gadi is falling, you can consider. So there lots of things are getting. You can not only banana, kela, and which is called like grapes, only sauce, chutney, and achar, pickle. You will get easily there. Lots of things for people because the shopkeepers they know very well that people, lots of people from different area they are about to come here and they will buy this. So mostly people, the shopkeepers think that we have to sell banana and kila grapes, that all mostly people like to buy in this day, right? They will worship
Mm,
by this all fruits. So they will make that all ready already in the shop and they will put, so that when people will come to their shop suddenly they will buy, right? So without looking anything, right? So easily without haggling up, so they can buy, so that they want. That's why they do like this, like they decorate their shop with fruits.
all
Yes,
right. All right. That's
yes,
great.
yes.
So, have you also taken fast?
What?
Have you also took fast? व्रत रखा है आपने?
Yes, 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 yes,
I can say kept fast. Yeah.
yes, yes. And I think at what time you will go for that, for worshipping
Yeah. I went there around 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Yes.
at night
Six
time.
or seven. Yes. No, early in the morning.
Oh, early in the morning, right? Yes, yes. It means
Yes.
like in the morning time before, like today, right? Today in the morning at 7 a.m.,
Yes.
right? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Because temple is near to my home, so I went within 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah. Or
yes, yes.
I wake up early in
Yes,
the
yes.
morning around I woke up early in the morning around 4:30 p.m. Sorry, a.m. But I did I cleaned my whole house and took bath, so it take time.
Yes, yes, I know. And because
Mm.
you told that temple is the nearest to your home, so I think it is easy for you to worship there and for going. But for my, if I talk about myself, I think it is, quite what will I say, difficult to go there. 32 kilometer, but I don't find difficult to go there because of I have bike. That's why. But if I would not have bikes, anything, any source, if I wouldn't have any source to go there, then I think I would find it quite difficult to go there. But now I don't think that I can't go there. I can go by bike easily, and some people who don't have, as I told you, that they will book and hire vehicle, auto, that all like bus, and they will go by bus there, and they will come at night time. And I think some people will stay there and tomorrow they will come by sleeping, one day they will spend. I think it can also be possible, right?
Mm-hmm. Right. Okay.
Yes,
It's a very, very amazing. You went. Hello.
yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, now I can hear you. Okay, now I am going to tell you how do I do practice nowadays. So nowadays I love to connect with the people each and every single day. One or two people, yeah. And along with that, I'm also listening podcast. Yeah, I'm doing nowadays these two, just to listening and speaking.
Oh, mostly you do listening and speaking, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. And don't you think in English, like I think I heard from some people that if you will not think in English, I think you will not be able to speak because like this they keep telling. So what do you think about it? Thinking is important for improving English.
You know, it's their own style. Who prefer thinking first, then listening. You know, there are different kind of person. Some person has a make plan earlier before meeting, before any conversation. Some just they immediately handle everything. So it's depend on a people,
Yes, yes.
isn't it?
You are right. You know, it can depend on the people. Like what types of person is he, right? So it depends on him that what types of thing does he like, speaking or listening, thinking, right? And if I talk about myself, actually I want to think because I got crazy. I became crazy about this when I had started spoken English language. When I had started speaking in English, you can consider in the beginning time in which day I had started speaking. From that day, I think after around 2 months, then I had come to
Mm,
know that thinking is important. But what will I tell that whenever I try to think in English, I can't think in English all the time. Suddenly the language which is my native language will come to my mind. It happens,
mm,
so that's why
mm,
mostly I don't think in English because I can't think in English all the time. Because in my area it is not like that. Like English is speakers you will get mostly in my area. I think only those who speaks in their mother tongue only. So like that person
mm.
you will not only Hindi also in my area you can consider Hindi. You can't hear any person Hindi is speaking here. Actually, if you will go to the market, I think can be in distance of 5 kilometers from my home. So there they will speak Hindi language there, and I think some people in my area, people know Hindi, but they don't speak. In English, no one is knowing. I think some people know little bit what are you doing, how are you, like that. You know very well about the area of village. You know how is that, right? No one can
Yeah,
speak like that
yeah,
in situation in
absolutely.
my area.
So,
Yes.
right, right. So, do you read anything like any English content like reading or storybook nowadays, or just you prepare your exam?
Yes, yes. I'm doing all types of work you can consider. Nowadays, actually, my exam is getting closer in month of
Mm,
March, And actually, I was very happy in the month of, January 2025, before 29 January. That time I was
mm,
waiting for the exam was to be on 29 January. But in between the exam, our exam was cancelled. And they said that
What?
your exam will be about I think can be in March month, like that. So they said I think government you can consider. So what can we do? That's why now I'm waiting for the exam will be in March month. So now it is February you can consider. So now I can't think after 12 days around my exam will be. So then I will conduct, I will take my, I will give the exam. So for that, I am preparing for the exam and learning English, everything I'm doing. If I talk about reading, I read English also, but mostly I read in mobile. Do you know mobile? Like I open Google, Chrome browser, there I will search about newspaper you can consider, and about any story in English, and about any, accident, whatever accident will be in the world, about that in English I will read, and I improve my English. Mostly, I think about mobile is comfortable for me that I can open anything on Google, and that in English I will read. So like that, I think I do, and really English is getting improved by that, and I think you can also do. But some people prefer to read that in reality in the book, right? So I also do the same, sometimes in case of need, but mostly I don't do. Mostly I open different newspaper in mobile, and I read
Mm,
that in English in Chrome browser. Yes, like that.
okay, you prefer mobile, right?
Yes, yes.
Uh, So, while reading, we get like new vocab or words. So, have you write down or not?
Yes, yes, I write down because it is very important for us to write down. You can consider. Suppose you will be reading one book, and if you will get new word, and you will come to know the meaning of that word also. What is the meaning of that word? And you think that this word, if I will use, and I can make other shock by speaking in English, then that word you can write down and you can use in your spoken English to make another person. Suppose you have learned one word, so by speaking with me, that word you can try to make me shock that I know good English like that. So I'm trying to write also good words, and mostly from newspaper and phrases that all and which is called like channels, Sartaj classes mostly. I think, and lots of channels can be. Mostly, I nowadays trying to learn new words like vocabulary and phrases structures, like phrases types of structure, like that word I'm learning. I think you have watched my short video. You can come if you will come to know if you will watch my short video. Then what types of words nowadays I'm improving. Yes,
Okay, that's a great. All
yes,
right.
yes,
So, since 2025 is going on, so have you inculcated any new habit in your life to improve
yes,
your like personality?
yes. Nowadays I improved. And nowadays what will I say? Nowadays I became famous in Jharkhand. You can consider, and I think in Jharkhand, very well. I think lots of I think every state in India school can be.
Yes,
It is not
you
that
are
in some you will not get school.
right.
I think in Jharkhand now I became motivational
Mm-hmm.
speaker of English, and it means I keep giving them motivation to the students in the school. So as motivator, like they call me, please come here in this school, students want to learn something from you. So I go there and I motivate them. So that work I'm doing nowadays, and nowadays people started recognizing me every corner of the state of Jharkhand, you can consider. So
Mm-hmm.
everyone is knowing me gradually, and they know me very well. Whether I go there or not, they will know me because of YouTube. You can consider. So they will know me, and they will get my number, and suddenly I will go there and I will motivate their students. And I think recently on, I think Sunday, I think before can be 2 days. So I had gone one district, Dumka. So there I motivated students, and there was one what will say dam. Do you know dam?
Yes.
Them, right? So that them name is Masanjor. You can say Masanjor, like that. And if you will, there is falling. There is also one mountain. If you will cross that mountain, you will get selfie bridge. That is called selfie bridge, right? Selfie means people like to take selfie there by
Yes,
climbing
I can.
top of the bridge. You can consider on the bridge. So there I went, and I enjoyed after motivating them. There I went.
Mm-hmm.
You can consider. I had not hadn't gone to there. Gone there alone. You can consider. Actually, my father had also gone. You can consider. That's why he had gone, because he was thinking, Jadu, like you keep going to motivate students. Yes, you keep going to motivate students, but I don't know how are you motivating students. So please take me also. So I had taken him. Actually he wanted to see me that the way you are motivating. So that's why I had taken him. He saw my way to motivate students. Really liked. It happens. If you will take your suppose you have any goal, like suppose you are doing. So if your parents will see your work, that how is he doing, so they will get happy. So that's why I had taken him, and he also enjoyed there when I took him. Actually, he was a rider, like he was riding bike. I was not riding bike because of police. I think very well, if you will be caught by the police in the road, then they will ask for fine. You can consider, right? It happens because I am under 18. That's why.
Yes, yes. Right. So, at what class now?
Now I'm in 9 class. Actually I would be in 10 class due to exam was cancelled. That's why. If exam would be, I think now I would sit in 10 class. But after March month, I will start studying in 10 class. But syllabus has started already. Which is syllabus of 10 class. You can consider that was started by the principal. Yes, but now still we are sitting in 9 class. It is not like that. I am in 9 class. I am in 9 class. I am sitting in 9 class, but syllabus of is of 10 class. So that is different. Yes.
Yes, I understand. Okay. So, my next question is, apart from English, what do you like other subject, which is you love to like spend time on that particular subject?
Yes, yes. Actually, besides, now I think you know very well that I learn English. So if you want to know that what language do you want to learn besides this now? So I want to learn Bengali language, because there I faced lots of problem. As I told you about one district, Dumka. So there where when I had gone to that area, like which is Masanjor Dam, I told you, right. So there are lots of people like shopkeepers. Actually, I had entered in a hotel there with my father. So there, the shopkeepers was asking me in Bengali language. So I got shocked. Like I was understanding, but I was unable to answer. So he was saying in Bengali language. So that language I want to learn now because it is very important in Jharkhand. And if I go other, I think West Bengal and Odisha in my area. So I think I will learn this language because nowadays I think books are getting, and in YouTube lots of teachers are available to teach Bengali language. So I will take their help and I will learn something. Whether I can't learn, like master, whether I can't become master in Bengali, but if I can speak and ask for anything, suppose
Yes,
give me
you are able,
and like,
if you
so yes,
choose, you
it is
are
enough.
able to. Yeah,
What?
yeah. I'm saying whether you are not become like a master, so you at least you are able to understand, you are able to face the people, right?
Yes, that I want, that I want. So that something I can speak and can talk. And I think you know very well. And you can't think about me now. I am master in English. Suppose I speak basic English, so all the same I can communicate. So like this, I want to learn also Bengali language. Whether I can't speak, all thing are they are using Bengali people. All the same, it will be enough for me. Like I can ask and say anything. Give me this food like that. You know. Bhalobasa, that all you can consider. So I know something, actually I don't know more because I can understand only Bengali. Something I was understanding, but I was unable to answer. And because in which shop, I was there in Masanjor, you can consider. And she was, a girl was selling, what will I say, like nasta. That all, right? So that time, she was saying in Bengali, and she was thinking that, I know Bengali like that. I think she was thinking, and Jadu will understand. I was understanding what I can say, but I was unable to answer. So suddenly I said, I don't, I can't speak in Bengali like this. I said her. She said, yes, no problem. I know Hindi also. Suddenly she started speaking in Hindi. And actually her English, Hindi was not so good, but, like what faintly she was knowing all the same. She was speaking good Hindi, but not like us, I think something what, was missing. You can consider us South Indian are speaking like that. So all the same, she was speaking good English, and she was trying to, was able to make me understand in Hindi. And because I know Hindi, that I want. Because she doesn't know, I think, English. So how can I say? Yes.
Actually, yeah, now I would like to know about what do you like in your subject apart from like language. I would like to know about this point. Like you as you mentioned, you love to now learn Bengali language, right? But I'm trying to ask, what do you like math, science, another subject apart from English or Bengali?
Yes. I like math and science, you can consider. I think you have heard about this many times on video. And three language, I think three subject I like, and mostly I like English. If I will compare English language with math and science, I think I am good at English. But also in math science I'm good at, but not like in English as I am good at in English. Also I can get good mark in math and science also. Yes, but not like English. In English I think 98, 97 I will get easily. Yes.
Oh, wow. So it means you are also good at writing, right?
Yes, sir. At writing also I am good at, handwriting is very good, I think. Yes.
Okay, good, good.
Because
Yeah.
know about this all. And like you have to keep here capital letter, everything I am trying to learn from YouTube. So I learned. That's why. Like how should I speak? Which name, I should start from, capital letter like that. So that all, I think we have to keep remember, right? Otherwise, I think in exam they check that. Like how did you write? How is your handwriting? Which letter was to be in capital letter, and that you have written in a small letter. Then they will
Mm,
not give you number, right? So it happens. So that all
yeah.
thing, yeah. And writing, head writing, and I think straight you have to write good and good looking, you can consider, so that they will get attracted when they will see your handwriting, and usually they can understand what, like they can recognize what did you write. So like that way, in that way, like I am trying to write nowadays. And every day my work is to write and reading also every day. Something or the other story I make myself, by myself, like about any story, about any places wherever I will go, about that place, this I saw like that. So I write in English. and try to make my handwriting better day by day, so that people will recognize me that Jadu's handwriting is better, because nowadays by writing I upload on YouTube also, so they see my handwriting also. I think you have seen, right?
No, I hadn't seen. That's why I'm asking.
Oh, you can
Yeah.
see when you
I,
watch my short
yeah,
video.
I
Now,
definitely.
recently I uploaded. So there I uploaded by writing something by myself by pen. With pen you can consider, so that you can see and you can recognize. Actually, I can write in two way. Like a first, what will say, without connecting word like that I can write, and one way connecting. So I think I have lots of way to write handwriting. You can consider. I think different way. Right. Some
Mm-hmm.
people can have only one way to write. Right. They can't write in other way. Like their head writing, writing way is same. Like only one. But I have, I think two, three way to write, and make my handwriting. So that's why I think nowadays I'm preparing for that also, and so that I can write in different field. Because one day I was writing like without connecting word like that. As I think you can see, what I think you have seen any form. Do you know? I think you have fill up, right? So in that form,
Mm-hmm.
if you see like without connecting, I think by computer that was printed, right? So like that I can write. But when I had written one day, the teacher was, his sister was saying me, Jadu, why did you write like this? Like that. Actually, in the class, mostly they don't like that all writing, right? Like without connecting. So and she was thinking that Jadu can't write, by connecting like that. I think she was thinking. Suddenly, I wrote that also, and she got shocked. Jadu, lots of way to write like that. So it happens nowadays. I try to write and get different skills, and I think nowadays we should get, everyone should get skills, right? If they have different skills in any field, they will get passed, and they will not get, I think will be failed, right? So easily, like they will get good mark also in the exam, you can consider, because I think if you have written well and handwriting is good completely, I think out, out and out you can consider, then they will give you out number, and they will not find any mistakes, when they will see your writing handwriting in paper. So that happens.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's a nice. Yeah, so if you have any kind of questions, so you can also ask me.
I think video is getting 27 minutes, I think, right?
Yes, yes. So should we wrap up the
Actually,
session?
oh, yes, yes, definitely. Because now you can consider, I think if we will record this session more than 30 minutes, I think it is quite difficult to save.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Then we will talk
Okay.
later. And, I think we will get again time, I think we can get, right.
Yes, definitely. Because you know why am I able to connect sudden? Because I usually free 11 o'clock, from 11 o'clock, 11 to 1, between 11 to 1.
Oh, yes, yes. So today, I thought that she will be free, and today is my holiday, so I can connect with her. So really, you replied me, I got happy. So again, we will talk if I will get time. So I will inform
Yes,
you by sending message, and then I will call you if possible. So call me and we'll talk. Yes. Okay.